if I sell a blank t-shirt which does not have any quote, but it just either has a brand, a little brand logo here or a brand logo at the top, or let's say no logo at all, no branding at all, wouldn't those sell better instead of a t-shirt with quotes? These kind of t-shirts are available everywhere, blank t-shirts. On every Walmart, let's say, the biggest e-commerce market is the United States of America. When it comes to, the print on demand business model, using Facebook ads to make money and all of that stuff, and having suppliers in US. So every Walmart has all of these t-shirts. Every store near to someone's place is going to have blank t-shirts. But so how are you going to be different? Why would someone pay you $20 to buy something that they can get for like a $5 or $10 in a Walmart, or in a local store nearby, in a 911 or 7-Eleven and all of these stores? Why would people pay you for that? The reason you put a design on the t-shirt is because that particular design that you're going to be putting on your t-shirt is not going to be available near their store, is not going to be available in Walmart or anywhere else. Yeah, some t-shirts like Get Shit Done, these are like very general t-shirts. Don't, I never encourage you to promote something like that. But let's say you have a t-shirt design which says, I am the lucky son of a freaking awesome mom, and she bought me this shirt. These kind of designs are not available in their nearest stores. So when you're doing your research, I know that the design that you're selling might exist at 5 or 6 or 10 other websites, but so what? There are like 7-8 billion people in the world, guys. The market is very big. But having quotes or having designs on your t-shirts, it actually gives you an advantage. It gives you an edge. It gives your customers a reason to buy from you, to pay you that money. And when you have a quote which focuses on one target market, your marketing is also going to be easy. It's going to be simple, not easy. It's going to be simple. You would know who to show your products to, and you would know exactly who's going to buy this. You're going to show your ads to them and make sales. That's how it works. A lot of times people also think, what if I just create my brand and I add my brand logo? Would people buy from me? Why would they buy from you? You're not Nike. I know people would not hesitate buying a plain black t-shirt with a Nike logo or with a Puma logo or with a Levi logo or with a Reebok logo, because these are like the biggest brands out there, right? But you're not a brand yet. So, and it's taken decades for these brands to become brands, right? So don't approach that right now. In the future, after a couple, I don't know, tens of years, yes. Maybe after 4 or 5 years, yes, you would be able to do that. In fact, it's not even a matter of time. It's all about how many customers you have. Do your customers connect with you or not? And that's when you become a brand. But before that, I would recommend you to sell plain t-shirts with some quotes, with some designs on them, specifically quotes that focus on one target market, one target customer. That's how you do it.